Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add layers to your picture on the Prisma application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. Select a picture from your device and new. Click to the second option, the layers icon, under the HD option, and here you can find the different layers, and you can select one and done. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.